Christian Hine, welcome.
Hello, thank you very much, Mr. Mayor, members of council. It's no secret that Charlotte continues to rank as the highest taxed municipality in North Carolina as a result of our high property and sales taxes. That statistic by itself sends shivers into the hearts of would-be business investors and residents. Indeed, why come to Charlotte when just across the border in Fort Mill you can enjoy lower gas prices, lower sales taxes, and nearly half the property tax rate? Indeed, earlier this year, this council had to literally bribe a major corporation to move its headquarters to Charlotte with taxpayer money. If that isn't a tacit admission of Charlotte's unfavorable business climate, I don't know what is. Even the Charlotte Knights, who want to move uptown for whatever reason, don't seem to want to make the private investment necessary to make that a reality. They feel forced to come with outstretched hands to the city and the county. There's a pattern developing here. Those who want the services and the handouts move here. Those paying for the services are simply moving out. Eventually, we'll have more people on the cart than pushing it, and there's simply no recovery from that. Detroit on the Catawba will become a reality. Even statistics being touted that Charlotte's unemployment rate is falling are highly suspect. According to a March article in the Charlotte Business Journal, there is a shrinking labor force that has been the major contributor to the declining unemployment rate, not some genuine turnaround in our economic viability. This proposed property tax increase, on top of the already failed revaluation process, is not the way to get this city turned around. Supposed economic development projects have consistently failed to meet projections in Charlotte, and this is expected. Government does not invest. Government is simply the least efficient consumer of wealth and only serves as a vehicle to redirect capital. If you really want to help this city boom, the climate of overregulation and heavy taxation needs to be changed. Stop with the foolishness that if but for a streetcar to nowhere or an amateur sports arena, Charlotte would be the cream of the crop. This is nonsensical. The climate created by the taxes to pay for these toys is not conducive to real, private growth. And also keep in mind that this tax increase will not only affect property owners, but also lower-income people who rent. Their landlords, when they see their property taxes go up, don't think for a moment that that increase won't simply be funneled through to the renter. And that's true across the board with any business. When business expenses go up, they must increase their prices. I'll end with a brief aside question that I honestly don't understand when it comes to this proposal. The tax increase being requested is to serve as a revenue stream for future bond referendums. These bond referendums have no guarantee of passing, and I see no guarantees that what will be up for a vote is what's being proposed in this particular plan. Over the long term, can this council really bind future councils to these projects? And what happens if those bond referendums fail? Does the city simply enjoy the use of the new higher revenue for other projects at their discretion? I ask you to vote no. This is not the economic climate we need for higher taxes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.